Tyrannosaurus rex, T. rex. Tyrannosaurus is a genus of large theropod dinosaur. The type species Tyrannosaurus rex, rex meaning king, in Latin, often shortened to T-rex or colloquially T-rex, is one of the best represented theropods. It lived throughout what is now western North America, on what was then an island continent known as Larimedia. Tyrannosaurus had a much wider range than other tyrannosaurids. Fossils are found in a variety of rock formations dating to the latest Campanian Maastrichtian ages of the late Cretaceous period, 72.7 to 66 million years ago. It was the last known member of the Tyrannosaurids and among the last non-avian dinosaurs to exist before the Cretaceous-Paleogene extinction event. Like other tyrannosaurids, Tyrannosaurus was a bipedal carnivore with a massive skull balanced by a long, heavy tail. Relative to its large and powerful hind limbs, the forelimbs of Tyrannosaurus were short but unusually powerful for their size, and they had two clawed digits. The most complete specimen measures 12.3 to 12.4 meters or 40 to 41 feet in length, but according to most modern estimates, Tyrannosaurus could have exceeded sizes of 13 meters or 43 feet in length, 3.7 to 4 meter or 12 to 13 feet in hip height, and 8.8 tons or 8.7 long tons, 9.7 short tons, in mass. Although some other theropods might have rivaled or exceeded Tyrannosaurus in size, it is still among the largest known land predators, with its estimated bite force being the largest among all terrestrial animals. By far the largest carnivore in its environment, Tyrannosaurus rex was most likely an apex predator, preying upon hadrosaurs, juvenile armored herbivores like ceratopsians and ankylosaurs, and possibly sauropods. Some experts have suggested the dinosaur was primarily a scavenger. The question of whether Tyrannosaurus was an apex predator or a pure scavenger was among the longest debates in paleontology. Most paleontologists today accept that Tyrannosaurus was both an active predator and a scavenger. It was extremely wide at the rear but had a narrow snout, allowing unusually good binocular vision. The tip of the upper jaw was U-shaped. Most non-tyrannosauroid carnivores had V-shaped upper jaws, which increased the amount of tissue and bone a tyrannosaur could rip out with one bite, although it also increased the stresses on the front teeth. Tyrannosaurus had their upper teeth covered in lips, instead of bare teeth as seen in crocodilians. This was based on the presence of enamel, which according to the study needs to remain hydrated, an issue not faced by aquatic animals like crocodilians. Like many bipedal dinosaurs, T-rex was historically depicted as a living tripod, with the body at 45 degrees or less from the vertical and the tail dragging along the ground, similar to a kangaroo. T-rex arms are very small relative to overall body size, measuring only 1 meter or 3.3 feet long, and some scholars have labeled them as vestigial. Scientists have produced a wide range of possible maximum running speeds for Tyrannosaurus, mostly around 9 meters per second or 32 kilometers per hour or 20 miles per hour, but as low as 4.5 to 6.8 meters per second or 16 to 24 kilometers per hour, 10 to 15 miles per hour, and as high as 20 meters per second or 72 kilometers per hour, 45 miles per hour, though it running this speed is very unlikely. Tyrannosaurus was a bulky and heavy carnivore, so it is unlikely to run very fast at all compared to other theropods like Carnotaurus or Giganotosaurus. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe our channel.